Hi students, problem number 6. Let the source propagate a sound wave whose intensity at a point, that is initial intensity, be I. Suppose we consider a case when the amplitude of the sound wave is doubled, that is the amplitude is doubled and the frequency is reduced to 1/4. Calculate now the new intensity of sound at the same point. So it's very simple problem. Now first thing is, we have studied energy in simple harmonic motion. Energy is equal to half m omega square into a square, where a is the amplitude and omega is the angular frequency, is it not? So energy is proportional to omega square into a square. So m by 2 is constant. So the energy is proportional to 2 pi f. Omega is equal to 2 pi f whole square into a square. Once again 2 pi is constant, okay, or energy is proportional to square of the frequency into square of the amplitude. So this expression, this is the first idea you must understand. So there is a relationship between the energy and frequency, energy and the amplitude. Okay, then what is meant by intensity? Intensity of sound or light, I, is equal to energy per unit area into time, is it not? So at the same point means the area is the same, or we can take that area and time are constants, therefore I is directly proportional to E, okay, or I can write I is proportional to E. And again E is proportional to f square into a square, no, therefore I can write I is also proportional to f square into a square. So this is the actual expression we require. What is the dependence of the intensity of the wave and its frequency and amplitude? So here what is given, suppose consider a case where the amplitude of the sound wave is doubled, understand, doubled, and the frequency is reduced to 1/4. So the initial, the old one, old means initial, and this is proportional to f square into a square. Now the new frequency is equal to original frequency divided by 4. They have given reduced to 1/4. What about the amplitude? Amplitude is doubled and a amplitude new. So this is equal to 2 times a old. Okay, so twice. Now therefore I can write an expression like I old, I will write I new. The new intensity is proportional to, instead of f square, now what I should substitute, f by 4 the whole square into, instead of a what I have to substitute now, 2a the whole square. So I new is now proportional to f square. So this is f square by 4 square is 16 into 2 square is 4a square. So this one is now 4 4s are 16. Therefore I new is proportional to f square a square by 4. F square a square divided by 4. So this is I old. Understand that? So f square a square. I new is proportional to f square a square by 4. Therefore I new divided by I old is equal to new by old. So this is f square a square by 4 into 1 divided by f square a square. So cancelling these factors f square and a square, this is equal to 1 by 4. So this is what asked. So calculate now the new intensity of sound at the same point. So I nu is equal to, therefore I new intensity is equal to 1/4 of the old intensity. So this is what is asked in the question. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.